Alright. Am I live? That's the real question here. Seems like I am. Indeed, I am. That's good. I just have it on, be right back. Just make sure everything's working and so no weird bullshit happens. Hopefully I'm going for a little longer than usual today. Maybe not though, I do not know. I don't know if I'll do that or not. I'm gonna have to add a C++ file to this as well. Oh yeah, and real quick, I'm gonna do this. Include scene hierarchy panel. Hopefully that works without causing any issues. No, I might not do this actually, because who knows if that probably caused a error actually. Man, Wasteland. Make sure it has the proper namespace. I have to include ImGui. Ref scene scene Why are you throwing an error? Is it just IntelliSense being a piece of shit? Oh yeah, no, I need to include scene.h. Include... No, can I just get away with including Wasteland.h? Yeah, I can. That's probably the best thing this codebase has. That actually makes this shit easy. At least easy for me, anyway. I don't know if it'll be easy for anyone else. Const scene. I'm basically just doing the same thing here as I did up there, so. I'm seeing, or no, I'm seeing context, I guess, for now. Know it. Wasteland. Scene / scene. No, I'm just gonna do that so I know like actually what it's calling or getting a reference to. What in the hell is this? Oh, never mind. I have to make it Wasteland.h because apparently it can't get a reference to whatever this is. Probably get around that using some bullshit. Not sure. You know what? Include core. Wasteland core / core.h. That fixes it, of course. Probably have a GUI render function. That's probably a good thing to have when doing something like this. A lot of the time it'll probably just look like I'm staring at a screen. Probably because I'm like thinking as I do this. God damn it, of course. It's always an issue. My brain is like fucking half asleep. That's normal, by the way. For my brain to be like half asleep while doing this shit. You know what? I'm gonna rename this to context. Do the same thing here. Or you know what? Yeah, just to keep everything, I guess, clean. Context equals context. There. God damn it, type. Jeez. I cannot type for shit right now. Holy fuck. Just gonna go ahead and do that. I know there's probably better ways of doing all of this. But fuck it, man. There. Can technically get rid of that now. Context. Registry is a ent thing or entity thing. That does not seem to exist. Get? Race, no. Currents. Destroy. Construct, update, no. Owned. It's owned. Is that what I might need? I do not know. Why the fuck do I not know? Each is non-existent, apparently. What the fuck? My brain's fucked. doesn't exist. So, trying to think. Patch, what does that do? Give an element for an entity, no. Move, probably not. Sort, no. Storage? And the storage associated with a given name, if any. Maybe? I don't know. No, can I just do this and figure that out? All of. Check if an entity is part of all given storage. Valid identifier, any of, what is this? Check if an entity is part of at least one given storage. Type is storage to check for. God fucking damn it. Clear, create. What the fuck does CTX do? No. Oh, that's context. God damn it. Why the fuck am I current version for the given identifier? That's what it returns. Returns the actual version for an identifier. No. Get. No. Insert. What does that do? Not what I'm looking for. My storage finds the storage ent ID type ID. No, I don't think. Valid? I do not know. I'm stupid. I'm gonna Google something. Probably, I do not know. Can I just do like an all of thing? Where it gets no, but that's storage specific. I want it to get all of the like available entities that are drawn to the scene. Current, maybe? Turns the actual version for an identifier. Why the fuck don't I know? Am I fucking stupid? Group. Insert. Probably not. Checks if an entity has elements assigned. That's no. I need to Google int real quick. Int. Do I? Full contents, containers, no, I do not know. Core functionality. Am I stupid or something? I swear to God, I think I might be fucking stupid. I don't know. Can I get away with just doing a get? Probably not. Owned? Int registry owned. Patch, no. Swap, try get. It doesn't say. Valid. I swear to God, I think I might be fucking stupid or something, dude. How the hell do I do this? Just gonna do, I think, get or something. You know what? I did this somewhere else. I forget what I did though. Well, where I did it. I know it was probably one of the scene classes. Worst part about being fucking forgetful of almost everything. Since given element to an entity must have a proper constructor or be of no. I can do probably a bunch of currents, but that's gonna be a lot. Context? I don't know. I might be stupid or something. I really don't know. Get group. Turns a group for the given elements. Group if exists. Oh, that excludes another existing group, I think. Insert. I'm stupid, man. I need to figure out how to use this. Graph, no. Entity component system. What the hell? Trying to find the thing for. There is a thing for getting like entities are drawn to the scene already. I think that might just be get though. But then I'm gonna have to make multiple gets for every entity drawn to the screen. Unless I do some weird for loop things. What on earth? Yeah, I'm stupid. Give me a fucking minute, dude. Can I get away with just doing like a whole load of gets and getting like almost everything? Like if somebody creates a new entity, it gets that entity. No, I'm gonna try to ask AI. Whatever code it spits out. Entity tag component. In place tag component entity. That's creating the entity though. Draw a scene hierarchy is what I'm looking for. Component inspector. That is way too much. Well, I'm able to get away with doing that, probably. I'm gonna try to set it up on my own without using any of this because I'm specifically fucking stupid sometimes. So I probably wouldn't get it right away. So if I do, if you get, this is component inspector. Am I stupid? No, it has view. View should work. And I have to get it to get the component tag. No. Wait. Yeah, no, it's registry view. Or no, registry get. So it is get. I'm just fucking stupid for no fucking reason. I just need to get the tag component. Is item clicked equals entity. Oh my god. Get. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do this. So just do get and then tag component. I should probably get Wasteland scene components. You know what? I can friend. No, I can't do that. Fuck it. Scene components. You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna shove it down there. There. Get. Oh, I need to do that and then dot tag. Why the fuck aren't you working? The fuck? My shit's fucked. Telesense, why you do this shit to me, man? Entity allocator. What? Basic registry. The fuck would the allocator be? Oh no, because I don't have a name attached. So I guess just have it as entity maybe? I don't know. Selected entity. God damn it, I'm fucking stupid tonight. Jeez. Or today. What the fuck time is it even? 8 p.m. Jesus. What the fuck? Yeah, no, I'm just stupid. This is just me being flat stupid right now. Trying to figure this out. Probably. Entity. entity. I have an entity class set up as well here. So if I do entity, that should work. So entity, potentially entity, entity? I don't know. I'm fucking around. You know what? I actually wonder if I could potentially, like, probably do like a lambda or something with this. I probably could. No, I definitely could if I'm smart with it. Might just fuck with it a little bit though. Because it'll have to get the entity, then it'll have to get... Can I do... No, I'm gonna ask the AI. Can I do that get with a lambda? Short answer, no. Oh, then it would be a patch. U.each. Registry view, what? Yeah, so I'm gonna have to do some fucking stupid shit to get any of this working, so... No, but I have... It's getting an m_context. What's the context set to? It's set to scene. So scene is context. Scene has entity. What? Gonna have to do some fucking around with this. Bullshit. I'm just gonna put each, even though I know that it probably won't work for a little bit. Definitely get away with it for a little bit. Need to do this. So probably shouldn't put quotes in there yet since registry dot get tag component entity. Man. etc equals... I definitely fucked up somewhere. Not sure why this doesn't exist. Unless I got, like, fucking ass backwards like I normally do, but who knows. I have a tendency of just accidentally going completely backwards with this shit sometimes. Where the fuck is, editor layer? There. Can I get away with doing this? I probably could. And then doing this. Could if I'm smart with it. I think. Depends. You know what? I could do this. Welcome, Omens. Thank you for the lark. What the fuck? My brain is like having a fucking aneurysm right now. What in the hell? No, because I'm actively trying to figure all of this out. I'm going to stay with get draw component, get entity, if register all of entity, or not, fuck, tag component entity. Know what? I could probably do that. Since this doesn't work, I could probably get away with that. I don't know though. Get entity. I'm gonna stay with .get. Using registry view .each. Should I do that though? Thank you for the follow. I'm still trying to figure out what this shit is, since I'm still, I guess, learning how to use this. Registry view. No, I probably could do view.each. That's probably what I'm fucking up with here. If I do this, and then... Yeah, no. Am I just stupid? I might be. Dot view. Dot each. No. That doesn't work because of the way it's set up. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm gonna say that right now. So I'm trying to do a lambda inside of an each, so auto view equals that's my issue. That is my issue. My God, just ignore me, okay? Just ignore me. I don't care. Auto view equals mcontext mregistry dot view transform component, and then since right now it's 2D, I don't need to do mesh component, so I'm just gonna keep it as, I guess, sprite render component. Yes, that's what it's called. Yep. Okay. And then I could do view dot each. God damn it. Not missing anything, am I? Oh yeah. Here we go again. Ignore me being a fucking idiot, okay? Ignore me being an idiot. Do I even need sprite render component? I mean, I guess so. Since almost everything's gonna be sprite since it's 2D. For the time being, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna go about making it 3D later on. Transform. This is a bunch of other shit that I don't need. I have a tendency for being an idiot, so yeah. No, I technically could just do a transform component and that would still work. Like, it won't give me an error or anything here. Since view is getting m_context, which is scene. The scene class, which is made context. And then it's getting the registry, which I think, fuck me. I'm stupid, give me a sec. That's set here as ent registry or entity registry. And then it's getting view. And then transform component. So this should work. If I am correct. I might be wrong as all fuck. If I am wrong as all fuck, somebody tell me so I don't go making a fucking dumbass of myself. Because I know for a fact I will. Should probably do this. There. That should be good. I'm saying should be, not saying that it is. Not saying that it is at all good. God, I need to clean this up. I'll do that eventually. I just might need a reminder to do that, since it'll take a long ass time to do. Fuck. There. Set context. There. And then it will have to be active scene, which will be the context. This causes some stupid errors. I'm gonna be fucking annoyed. Not pissed off, I would just be ever so slightly annoyed. Where the fuck is my shit at? There. And then scene hierarchy panel dot on ImGui render. Gonna try to run it. See what errors I get, if any at all. Oh, yep. Fuck. See reference. In context, undeclared identifier? The fuck? Oh, it's because of this. I didn't set entity to entity. So auto ID, I guess. Entity equals. I guess I can do entity ID and then m_context dot this and then well, I need to make a function for that. Probably. No, I definitely will need to make a function for that. I'm gonna do that. Fuck me. I can probably do entity dot get component. And this would technically work, I think. Convert from initializer list to Wasteland entity. Raw is not a member of Wasteland scene. Oh. So I need to create a class for that. Or not a class, but a function. Oh, that might be it. Maybe. I didn't include entity. I'm gonna have to create the raw component as well. I want to see if this will lessen the amount of errors I get first. Same amount of errors. Question is how will I implement raw.h or not raw.h? Fuck me, I can't think. Raw scene. Not sure. Context dot, what do I have? We could probably use a already existing function. Probably on update or something. Maybe not. Who knows, really? I don't. I certainly do not. Probably gonna include a log in here as well. I think log.h is in core, yeah. For now, getting rid of that fixes a load of issues. Now there's initializer list to what? Bullshit, man. What a load of bullshit. Probably do this. Do that down here. Do another thing there. Get rid of that. I know that makes it longer. What the hell? Context. There isn't anything that I'm able to call though. So I'll have to create something. Well, I could do just .get. Yeah. I could do .get. Am I fucking stupid, dude? Where the hell? I wouldn't be surprised. Let me put this into an AI, see what I get. Each auto transform. Entity, get component, transform component. Helper methods, yeah. Auto transform. No, yeah. I'm just fucking slow and stupid sometimes. Here. Auto transform there. Entity component. What the hell else, dude? What the fuck else? Fuck it, man. Fuck it. I'm stupid. The fuck. I am fucking dumb, dude. Damn it. One failed. Entity ID. God damn it. So I'm gonna have to do like a whole thing about that. That's fun. That doesn't work. So just do auto and it might work. That just caused an error when I did that down here. It caused an error. Man. Am I stupid? Get component, transform component. Entity ID, entity ID. I can try sending what I've got. Somebody's ass gonna get banned. Get out of here, bro. Get out. Fuck. Probably ban that guy too, I don't know. Damn AI generated messages. Double call error. Reading. Entity get component. It needs passing entity. Some entities might not have tags. Your engine will likely crash or assert. Just to be safe, use as component tag. Man. I have had it with this shit, man. Is this because none of the entities have tag components? I mean, what happens if I get rid of the transform? It will change. I don't mind. This works and only passes the entity ID. Good. Hopefully. Entity has component, tag component. I'm gonna add that. If entity dot has component, type tag component. Can I get away with doing that? Some more errors, same type and variety. Each auto. Entity ID. Auto transform. Yeah, but that fucks like the entire thing up. And I don't know how or why it fucks the entire thing up. It just does. So just having it set to auto might be the best. God damn it. Yeah, no, it's not the if. Otherwise, because it's still giving the same error or same issues. So I don't need that if statement. Auto, even if you don't use it, keeping this here. Follows handle component signature. Auto transform. God damn it. There. And then entity. Oh, and now you work. And now you work. God, I hate this shit. If I do for no. This probably works better than that. Who knows? Hopefully this works. Nope. Same issues. What is this? What is the issue now? The function lambda. So it's just causing more issues than anything. Just getting ran in circles. Context view. Transform component. If I keep it as that doesn't cause an error. That fixes it relatively. And transform. Hopefully this works. Nope. If this causes like a weird issue because it's two arguments, I think. It's more of a normal issue there. Still doing that bullshit. Jesus. Just gonna copy this because fuck, dude. Yes! Finally! Oh. So the green square is not getting rendered still. No, that's fine. That's fine. I can live with that. I'll probably leave that up to like a pull request or something to fix though. I don't know enough to fully get into fixing that. Nor do I have the fucking time to be bothering to fix that shit, so. My brain hurts, but hey, this got finally loading. I think it was something to do with the way that I wrote the code, so it just kept on breaking. It just decided to stop working randomly someday. That's normal though, when shit just doesn't want to work. God. Man. You know what? I'm gonna attach this there and attach settings here. Viewport stays centered. Wonder what that looks like. Ooh. So I can't select any of that. Interesting. It says the green square is loaded, but it doesn't register as being loaded? Not sure. It's an issue with the editor layer, and then, yeah. I'm gonna have to fix that. Especially with there being a viewport. I don't know when I'll fix it, though. It's probably a bad thing. It's probably something you never want to hear somebody say. Seriously, though? have I been streaming for? About an hour. You know what? I'm able to get rid of this, actually. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. I'm able to get rid of these useless functions as well. They weren't saved in there. That's good. Shit, man. That isn't created yet. So I'll create it in here. What's it called? Draw entity node. There. After stream, I might end up going like straight to bed because I've been tired as shit recently. Damn. Technically don't need to show the demo window since I have a demo window rendering. I just moved it like to the very bottom of the screen so I don't have to see it constantly. I hid it like way down here. You can like barely see it, but it's down there alright. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I just have it like hidden way the fuck down there. So I don't have to see it. I forget where I wrote the code that shows the, that displays it. I forget where that part of the code is, so somebody will have to remind me. Or change it via pull request. That works too, I don't really care. It doesn't matter as much, but it's good to have while it's still in development, you know. But when this is done being developed, I'm probably gonna end up having to remove it, or close to done, because game engines are almost never finished, you know. And that's serious too, like they are actually like never finished with like being worked on and stuff. They're always perpetually being worked on, like constantly. Gonna move some stuff around there. Void. This is a void pointer, I think. I am like half asleep right now, bro. Like seriously. Somebody's gonna ask me, like, why the fuck don't I go to bed? I know somebody's gonna ask that. The answer is, I just do not give a fuck. I want to get this done and out of the way before I do anything else. Because I want to get this into a state where I can actually start working on stuff in it. And it's actually damn close to that point. Where the hell? I need to stop pinning things I don't want to pin. I just need to stop. And I'm gonna have to cast this to you in 32. And that should work. God damn it, my nose is itchy, man. Alright. Yeah. What up? My mouth is... I don't know how to pronounce that. There. I need to create this. Should probably move this out of the if node, but I'm probably gonna keep them in the if statement for now. If it causes a error, then I'll move them out. Hopefully that's good. How long have I been streaming for? About 2 hours? Almost 2 hours. 1 hour 40 minutes exactly. I should probably do this. Selection context equals God, these damn things in my way there. these are making errors. I'll figure that out soon-ish. Whenever the hell that is. Const entity other. Nope. Now I had a similar issue somewhere else. I'll continue to do this. It'll fix itself. Indeed it did. Now hopefully nothing breaks. So that will be bad. That would be really bad. That works. It fixed itself. Nice. Damn it. My hand's itchy as hell. It's low-key annoying when that happens. Gonna try to build it. What? Member function. Give me a minute. You know what? I'm stupid. Damn it. There. Hopefully that works. Yes. Indeed, it works. Almost 2 hours. I cannot type for shit, man. I cannot type worth a goddamn, bro. The fuck? Damn it. Is it fixing it? Probably not. Maybe I'm just stupid, who knows? What if I replace this with like some stupid big number or some shit? I'm just gonna pull some random numbers out my ass. There. Now that's fixed. Anybody watching right now, actually? If anybody is watching, then I'll raid somebody. If not, then I won't. Doesn't look like anybody is, though, so I probably won't raid anybody.